Did you know? Some EC chipsets on laptop motherboards, if they have to be replaced, the replacement chipset must be flashed first, because it does not have any content. Here is a list of ECs that must be flashed when replacing them with a new one. EN KB9012, EN KB9016, EN KB9018, EN KB9022, EN KB9028QC, EN KB9010, EN KB3930QF, B1. ITE-IT 8585E, ITE-IT 8586E, ITE-IT 8985E, ITE-IT 8587E, ITE-IT 8987E, ITE-IT 8380E, ITE-IT 8380VG, ITE-IT 8995E, ITE-IT 8886H, ITE-IT 8886He, ITE-IT 8386, Nuvoton NPCE 288NA0DX, Nuvoton NPCE 388NA0DX, SMSC MEC 1609. If you have difficulty flashing the EC yourself with these models, ask the seller to flash the EC that you will buy according to the motherboard model you are repairing. Hopefully this is helpful.